Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode in Adobe Acrobat Reader, whether you're on Windows or Mac OS. If you've ever found yourself straining your eyes while working with PDFs late at night, or maybe you just prefer a more modern, low-light interface, turning on dark mode is a quick fix that can make your reading experience a lot more comfortable. By the end of this video, you'll know step-by-step how to activate the dark theme. So let's dive right in. Let's start with Windows users, since that's one of the most common platforms for Adobe Acrobat Reader. First, make sure you've actually opened the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. If you're not sure, check for the distinctive red icon with the stylized A. Opening the right program is important, otherwise these next instructions might not match what's on your screen. Once you've got Acrobat Reader running, take a look toward the top left corner of the application window. You'll see the so-called hamburger menu. That's just the three horizontal lines stacked on top of one another. I know, it's a funny name, but it's super common in modern software as a quick way to access settings and options. Click on that menu. Sometimes you'll need to wait a moment for the menu items to load, especially if your computer's juggling other tasks in the background. Don't worry if there's a short lag. Now, glance down the menu until you find the View option. Go ahead and select that. And in the submenu that appears, look for Display Theme. Choosing this brings up your theme options, light and dark gray. For dark mode, you want to click dark gray. The moment you select it, you'll notice the interface backgrounds switch from their usual pale tones to a sleek dark gray. This isn't just about looks. Changing to dark mode can reduce glare, making it easier on your eyes, especially in a dim room. Think of it like swapping your usual work desk lamp for a softer evening light. It's all about comfort, especially for extended reading sessions. If you're using a Mac, the steps are a little bit different, but just as straightforward. On Mac OS, start by opening Acrobat Reader. Then look up at the top menu bar on your screen. You'll see View. It's usually near the middle, among options like File, Edit, and Window. Give View a click. In the drop-down menu, you'll find Display Theme. And here again, you'll want to pick Dark Gray. Acrobat Reader will immediately switch to the darker mode. On Macs, dark mode often feels quite integrated with the system, so you might find that everything blends together a bit more naturally. It's worth mentioning that activating dark mode changes most of the interface, your menus, background, and sidebars, to darker shades. Some PDFs themselves might not automatically turn dark, depending on how they're formatted. If you want to go even further and make the actual document backgrounds dark, that might take a few extra steps we could cover in another video. For now, though, your overall Acrobat experience should already feel much gentler on your eyes, and that's all there is to it. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, enabling dark mode in Acrobat Reader just takes a few clicks. If any part of this process seemed confusing, don't hesitate to rewind or pause while you follow along. And remember, it's perfectly normal if your version of Acrobat Reader looks slightly different depending on updates, but the general steps should stay the same. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about Acrobat Reader or need help with other PDF tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new dark mode.